Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial from the Complete Flutter Developer course. In this tutorial, we are going to explore the project structure and the default project structure of the Flutter app. We see in the previous video that we have run the app and configure Android Studio. So I will close the main.dart, and this our project structure in the left panel. So you can minimize and you can see that the number one panel is called project. We click on project and we see the panel. In this panel, you can choose whatever you want here. But till now, we need to to put it as project. Now, these are containing two main principal folders: external libraries and Dart Flutter app. And external libraries, they are packages and Dart packages and external packages for and libraries for our app. Till now, we are not going to edit these files. Now, if we go to the Flutter app, this is the main folder that we will work on. We see that we have 4 or 5 main folders. The first one is IDE, which is IDEA, which is a configuration file that we will not edit till now. We have an Android, which is an Android file. If you have see the Android Studio and work in Android Studio, you have see that they are very similar. We have an app file, source, Gradle files, debug main, and then Java, then the package, and here we go. These are classes and activities. So till now, we have learned that Android folder contains these for the Android build system. Now we move to iOS. iOS folder is designed for the running the app on iOS, and these are the iOS configuration files that Flutter, Runner, and Xcodes. So the app or these folders contains allows the app to run on iOS and transform the Flutter into iOS and Android. So now let's move to lib. This is our folder that we are going to put and create Dart files inside it. We are going to most commonly use this folder. I will skip it for just a few seconds, and I will go to the test. We are not going to edit these tests till now, because we are not going to test this for principle for many reasons. Now we are going to see that these are for Git files, uh, Git libraries, metadata packages, also the configuration files. We are not going to edit all of these. But there is two files that we should consider take in consideration. Their importance to us. The first one is the lib folder. Lib folder contains all Dart, and we are working with Flutter with Dart language. So this is the first one, and the second one is pubspec.yaml. So this is the configuration file that it's very important for our app, and contains all important notice and more important information for our app, and has following dependencies. Also dependencies, we will see later how dependencies are worse. They also able to import and use the external libraries, external libraries in Flutter. So This is as a general view. Back to the main Dart. This is the folder we are going to, or file, we are going to put inside it our code and run it. So the folder called lib is the folder that contains our code written in Dart language, and the pubspec.yam is the configuration file that and the most important file that contains the information for our app, and import the 3D parties and packages and libraries. So thank you guys. Don't miss to like and subscribe. We are making the complete Flutter developer course. So don't miss to like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any comments, any recommendations, and any opinions about our lectures. Please say it below. And we are going to produce many videos, so keep updated. Just hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys, see you in next videos.